Ni hao, I'm Frank, and welcome to Story Time. This is the story about Dad's record player. On a quiet weekend at home, Dad brought out his old record player. It looked like a box, but on top was a circle which spun around and around. Dad lowered the metal arm onto the spinning circle. Like magic, the record player started to make a noise. It was music, the sound of a symphony orchestra. Jean and Joy gathered round excitedly. "Can it play any other music?" asked Jean. "Yes," said Dad. "I have many different records." Dad showed them his collection of records. Big flat discs with colourful covers. He chose one with a rainbow and put it on the record player. After some crackly sounds, drum and guitar music started to shake the walls. A rock band. Jean and Joy jumped up and down, dancing to the beat. Their little brother, Jaden, jumped up too. For the rest of the day, the girls explored Dad's records. There were curly-haired men with high squeaky voices. There was a woman wearing fancy robes who sang Chinese opera tunes. Their favourite had a beautiful blonde lady on the cover, whose country songs were very catchy. "Can we do this every weekend?" asked Joy, bouncing to the music. "Any time you want," laughed Dad, doing a funny dance with the girls. Nothing can be more fun than a dance party at home, with great music and an even better family. The end.